Okay, so how do you socialize at a bar without drinking alcohol? Well, it's easy. You just do the same thing as the people drinking alcohol. It's the same thing, except that you're a cool guy, you're smart, and you don't need alcohol to be comfortable or confident. Tell yourself that, okay? It may not be true right now, but it will be as you get used to it. You don't need that shit. I'm not saying that it's like evil. I will occasionally drink, but I know how to socialize without drinking alcohol. You know what I do? I just order a Schweppes or whatever. I'll order a tonic water or alcohol-free beer, which if you live in a Western country, you can probably easily find alcohol-free beer. I was frustrated when I was in Turkey, Armenia. They didn't really have that. But it doesn't matter what you can drink water or just don't drink anything. It's fine. And if somebody, is being a dick because you don't drink, just call them out on it, okay? Or ignore them. Who gives a shit about that guy? And those people are out there. It happens regularly. Somebody, why are you not drinking? Just ignore that shit, all right? Anyway, the first thing you should do, if you want to socialize without drinking, you're at a bar. Let's say you go to a meetup, okay? You don't know anybody. There's an event at a bar. You want to meet people. Okay, you go there. You're not going to drink. As soon as you get there, start talking to people. Put yourself in the mood immediately. Because the more you wait, the more awkward it's going to feel, right? Because, of course, alcohol can give you that confidence, right? But as we've established, you don't need that artificial confidence. You have the confidence. It's in you, okay? But you're going to get there faster, more easily, if you just talk to someone right away. It's like, I'm a friendship coach. I'm not a dating coach. But I know some dating coaches will tell you, when you see a woman you want to talk to, on the street, in terms of, cold approaches, you should, talk to her immediately, because the more you wait, the more it's going to go, you're going to find excuses not to do it, right? So same thing when you're at some social event. Just as soon as you get there, talk to people, okay? And that's really the main thing to know. Maybe I said it's the first thing, maybe it's the only thing. Talk to people right away. Get a non-alcoholic drink. Ignore people or call them out when they're making fun of you for not drinking, or when they're just giving you shit for it. I hate that. That's something that makes someone instantly unlikable, by the way. So if that's you, don't do that. It's really simple. I was talking with a guy who was trying to make more friends. And I was, we were talking about it. He said, well, I don't go to bars, so that's, my options are limited because I don't drink. And I was like, what are you talking about? You're allowed to go to a bar if you don't drink alcohol. They're not going to check. Just get a pineapple juice. That's what I used to do, many years ago, before I ever started drinking alcohol. Actually, that's even kind of fun. It gives you something to talk about. People will be like, what are you drinking? Well, it's just pineapple juice. Let's do that. And the guy I was talking to told me, oh my God, I never thought about that. I never thought about the fact that I could go to a bar and not drink. And I realized, oh my God, yeah, some people just don't realize that. It's crazy. But it's really simple. It's really simple. Also, some people will give you shit for it. Some people will respect you for it. Because a lot of people want to drink less, I think. And so when they see someone who's not drinking, they're like, oh shit, that guy, yep, I respect that. And it's the same reason, I think, why people will give you shit for it, because they know that you're doing the right thing and they're jealous or whatever. I think that's my hypothesis, Anyway, so it's simple. It's the same thing as going to a bar and drinking. Now you might think, yeah, but it's annoying, if everyone is drunk around you and you're not drunk. Fair enough, honestly. Just if you find yourself in that situation, just you go home. It's okay. Socialize for a bit, and when people are too drunk, you go home. It's not that complicated, okay? You're not gonna miss out on much, whatever. Also, another thing to remember: there's going to be other people, most likely, who are not drinking. So that's a great way to approach someone. Like if you see someone who's not drinking, you go, hey, are you also not drinking? It's just so easy. Like I'm coming up with this. Yeah, just go up to someone not drinking and say, oh, are you also not drinking? I swear that's an okay opener. That's all you need. And it's a way to bond with people. But also, if you want to be surrounded by non-drinkers, it does help. Like it's good when you can socialize with other non-drinkers or other sober, curious people. So just search for them. Like post in a Facebook group and be like, hey, anybody else sober or sober curious? I'm looking for people who don't drink and who want to socialize. And every time you spot someone at a bar who's drinking a non-alcoholic drink, become friends with them.